If you've heard Canada's changing its tune on temporary residents, you're not alone. But how does this shift affect who's working and who isn't? Let's connect the dots. Canada's government aims to lower the proportion of temporary residents from international students to seasonal workers. Now, when it comes to unemployment rates, this move has some interesting twists. First, the national unemployment rate. If Canada welcomes fewer temporary residents, the overall labor pool shrinks. That could mean less competition for jobs, especially in entry-level or service roles. In theory, unemployment rates for citizens and permanent residents might dip slightly because there are fewer people fighting for the same positions. But here's the flip side. Many industries like agriculture and hospitality rely on temporary workers. If employers can't fill those spots, some jobs might simply go unfilled or businesses might slow down, potentially creating ripple effects like fewer jobs overall. Now, for temporary residents themselves, as their numbers drop, those who remain might actually find it easier to land a job, since there's less competition among temporary residents. But they're still up against barriers. Think language skills, recognition of foreign credentials, and limits on what jobs they can take. Bottom line, reducing temporary residents could nudge down the national unemployment rate, but it's not a magic fix. The full impact depends on how the labor market adapts, how businesses adjust, and how policies change to support both newcomers and long-time Canadians. So next time you hear about immigration changes, remember, every number has a story behind it. And the job market, it's always evolving.